It's windy out here today, boys and girls. Don't know why I did that. Anyways, hey, I'm back. It's Hailey Mac, your Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturday vlogger. Oh my god. I can't even hold my phone in my hand to record this. But anyways, yeah, it's windy as hell, so I might actually refilm this intro if you can't hear me. But if not, hey, what's up? What's going on? Going home to do my makeup, film a video for my main channel that's going up actually today, so like it went up yesterday when you're watching this. And yeah, that's about that. So I'm gonna go now and I'll see you after. Hey guys, sorry I haven't vlogged much today. I've done absolutely nothing except I filmed a video that went up on my main channel, so make sure you go check that out because it like went up about 2 hours ago, I think, maybe. And yeah, I'm walking to the store to get some snacks because me and my boyfriend are hungry AF. So yeah, that's what's happening. It is still so windy out, so we've just been inside all day because it's just so windy. And it's actually insane, like the lights were flickering and everything. So I'm gonna stop because it is way too windy to do this, and see you later. Okay, so I'm almost back from the store. The wind's just getting worse and worse, to be honest. It's actually kind of terrifying how much is actually blowing. They had to shut down one of the, it's called the Skyway, and it's like basically a bridge type thing. It's basically a bridge to get you from one spot to another. I don't know exactly how to explain it because I've only been on it but it's basically a major highway, and they had to shut it down because a truck flipped over from the wind blowing so hard. That's how freaking windy it was. And it wasn't just like a small like a pickup truck or anything. It was a transport truck. Like it was a huge ass truck, but like had nothing in it, so I guess it wasn't super heavy or anything, but still. So awkward vlogging when cars pass. But it's actually so windy outside, and I was waiting at the stoplights coming back and I almost blew over. That's how windy it was. Like I legitimately almost fell over from the wind. Crazy. Like you can probably just hear the wind. Oh, there goes a bus. You can probably just hear the wind. That's how windy it is. I probably don't even have to say anything. It's probably just, you can hear it. Like, do you see these trees? This is actually insane. And the clouds actually look pretty sick. But holy shit. To be honest, I'm basically there, and I might not vlog anymore today because I'm not planning on leaving again, and literally all I'm planning on doing is laying in bed and hoping this passes by the morning. So yeah, if I don't vlog again, I'll see you guys on Saturday, and